Did you know that you can customize the Windows 11 start menu and put whatever icon you want there? As you can see on my Windows 11 start menu, all I have is the power option, but you can add additional icons there, or let's say shortcuts, and I'm going to show you how. Before we jump in, guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go to settings. From here, guys, you want to click on personalization on the left hand side. Then scroll a bit down and click on start. From here, scroll a bit and you will see folders. So you want to click on that. And from here, you have a bunch of different options that you can choose from: settings, file explorer, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos, networks, and even you can put personal folders as well. So I'm going to add a few there. So let's say I want to put the file explorer, I want to put my documents, downloads, and I will put pictures and music. And if I click the start icon again, or the start button on my taskbar, you will see that I now have a bunch of options here, right? You can easily go ahead and put whatever you want. So I'm going to add music as well. As a matter of fact, let's put everything. And so you will be able to see that I now add basically everything on that start menu on my Windows 11 PC. So this is very easy, guys. This is how you can easily go ahead and customize the start menu within your Windows 11 PC to your liking. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.